Make the maintenance of your electric water heaters a breeze with the TrueLine Electric Water Heater Tune-Up Kit. Prolong the life of your water heater by conveniently renewing the most common problem items of an electric water heater in one simplified kit. The TrueLine Electric Water Heater Tune-Up Kit features two high-watt density hairpin tubular elements. The elements are sealed into a watertight screw plug designed for uniform heat distribution, energy efficiency, and long-lasting performance. Along with the two elements, the kit includes two replacement gaskets, one thermo-disc lower thermostat and one thermo-disc upper thermostat for a complete tune-up of your system. Keep performance and efficiency at the forefront with TrueLine HVACR and water heater parts and accessories